to do that search yourself and satisfy yourself that whatever products are available from any of these institutions, whether it's the Islamic Bank of Britain or any of the other institutions, are Sharia compliant. I mean, none of us are qualified to say this is absolutely right. But what I would say is when people like Mufti Toki Asmani, he has said, he sits on the board and says, yes, this product is Sharia compliant, we have relied upon those sort of things and say, yes, if these learned people have said, they know more about these things, they have a certain responsibility, we will go by it because they are the experts. So really coming back to what the brother is asking, we cannot specify that yes, this product is halal. You should look at it yourself, satisfy yourself, and if you are satisfied yourself, go for it.
Inshallah, as long as it doesn't involve interest in any way.
That's right.
And they're actually taking that money and they're investing it in the market, in the halal way, and they're making a return.
Yes. Yes, trading is halal.
That's right.
Isn't it? Even our Rasulullah ﷺ has encouraged us to be traders. He was a businessman himself, but a halal businessman, a fair-minded businessman.
That's right.
So there's nothing wrong with that. But riba is strictly forbidden. And you know, that's what we want to avoid under any circumstances.
Yeah. So we're running close to the end of the show. You've talked about minimum wage, capital gain tax.
I also want to mention something for our brothers, elderly people, pensioners. Now, there is a certain, you know, we spoke about the pension, the children's tax credit, working tax credit. There is also something called pensioners tax credit. Yeah. So they should look at their circumstances and see if they are entitled to that, because what the government is saying that from April 2010, the weekly income for a pensioner should be at least £132.60.
Right.
So if you're below that, then you can make the application and go for it. And there are these other allowances available, you know, during the winter months you get the fuel allowance.
That's right.
That has also been extended. You'll get the fuel allowance again if you qualify. That's another £250. And if you are over 80 years of age, that fuel allowance is going to be £400.
What I see from what happened in the budget, they've actually added more incentives for the over 65 and pensioners.
Over 65 pensioners, and I would say perhaps lower income families, and lower income,
Okay, so inshallah, Tahir, you know, it's been a pleasure having you on the show.
Thank you, it's a pleasure.
We're running, we just got a few seconds before the ending the show.
Okay.
So inshallah, we'll continue next week. Assalamu alaikum for now.